Hey guys, welcome to Essence of the Keys. Today I'm not in my shop, I'm actually in our craft room. I guess today is studio room. A couple reasons. One, it's a little chilly out. It's not terrible. The main reason is across the street from us they're putting a new roof on and it's a little loud, so I couldn't really record a whole lot. The other reason is I've got a table set up in here. I'm going to bring you in. We recently went on vacation. As a matter of fact, we just got back Sunday night, and we've had a few comments about some of our equipment. When we was on vacation, we ran into a YouTuber that we follow. We wanted to meet him. He's a real nice young man. His name's Owen Reardon. And we took him a couple of goodies, and he gave us a shout out at Bunratty Castle in Ireland. That's good for us because since he gave us just that small shout out, our subs have exploded, or we've gained quite a few subs, and I really want to thank him for giving us a shout out. It's really helped our channel. But in the process of meeting him, he seen my camera gear, my rig set up, and he really liked it, and he done a little bit of a video on it, and we've had some questions about it. So I'm going to bring you in and show you what I use. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to give him much info because I haven't had this stuff that long. So let me move the camera around and let's do this thing. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is this. This is the frame that I used, and this is the secret sauce. This opens up, you slide your phone/camera into it. It locks in, and it's got the NATO, it's got cold shoe on two of the sides, but it's got the NATO rails on all four sides, and those are important because of these. I'll show you what comes with what. So this slides off, so you can just use it like a regular phone case. It's anodized aluminum or aluminum if you're in the US. And I will put links to everything in the description. But that snaps on, covers your lenses, or keeps them safe and everything. But this is the secret sauce to the lens thing, and that's what I'm going to show you next. I'm using a different tripod today because it's got a light ring and I've never used it. This is my wife's, but I thought I'd give it a whirl. So the lenses, it comes with a telephoto, I'm going to put my glasses back on. I took them off because the light ring was reflecting off of the lenses. This is a fisheye lens. This is a CPL lens. It's basically just a filter. And this is a macro, 18x macro lens. So I've had other ones of these, and there's also a little thing that goes on in here, and I don't know, I've misplaced it somewhere, but it's made to clip over your phone right onto the lens. Those don't work that great. I had bought this thinking that it would work great, and it just never really did. Where are we at here? Why am I not in the shot? I had bought these lenses. I couldn't get them to really get a good image out of it because the little clip thing that they screw into just didn't fit right on the iPhone, and that's where this comes in. This is threaded, so you can screw on your telephoto or any of the other lenses. This kit also comes with a super cute little tiny tripod with a camera mount. I don't use those. I just mainly got it for the lenses. I got this at a local shop, Amazon return thing, but I did get online and it comes with a remote control, although I've never been able to get it to work. But I did get online and find the newer version of this. I bought the lenses quite a while ago and they just didn't work, and I mean, this place, when you buy it, it's yours. There's no returns. So I did get online and I found the newer version of this, and I will put a link in the description for it. Also with this, another thing you will need if you're going to use a microphone or an external hard drive is one of these. Now I've got the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so it is USB version C, and this is just an extender so you can plug into your phone, and it's kind of tight. When you put it in there, you kind of, it feels like you're going to break it. You just have to kind of push it in, and that does, when the phone's in it, it does click in there just enough to work. I've got my microphone hooked up to it, and it works a treat. This come in a pack of 3. It's pretty, I think it was under $10. So that's that. The microphone I use, that's not it, that's my old one, is the newer. I've got it on the phone, so I can't really show, well, I can show you one of the microphones. It comes with 2 mics, the thing that plugs into your phone, and the charging case. And this one, I like it because it tells you what the charge is on both microphones. When I put the other one in here, this will show a graph and show me what I've got. Another thing that I usually take with me, and this is my old microphones. I don't remember what brand this is, and it still works. It's just the newer is a little bit better quality sound and whatnot. I'm kind of jumping around just because this is unscripted. These are also newer brand. They come separately, or I had to buy them separately. You can buy this as a kit, and I think it's got the handles and everything. It's just a little bit more money. And I found these, same brand, and it was a little bit cheaper, but these will, you screw it on, but they will also screw on the top or bottom, all 4 sides. Super handy for being able to get, like, if you're going to do a low shot and you want to be like in cinematic mode, you can hold it down. All right, so that's the cage and the handles, and that's what makes the lenses work. Another thing that I usually have with me is one of these. It's just a rechargeable battery pack. I'm running the ring light off of another one I've got, but it's this one I really like because if you're stuck in an airport or whatever, or at work, it's got a little thing here where it works like a phone prop. I have the rock form magnet ring. It's just kind of saves your fingers a little bit, but this magnet is super, super strong. I keep it on there because, like, if I'm at work or whatever, I can stick my phone to the side of whatever that's metal, that's ferrous metal, and if I need to have it handy or whatever. So I think all total, with the microphones, the lenses, and the cage, with the handles, all of that. I believe I'm in under $100. If it's over 100, it's not much. Like I said, I will leave links down below for all these items. If you've got value out of this, please hit the like and subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, just takes a second of your time to click on that. Click the bell notification, that way you don't miss anything when we upload. Our goal this year was to get to 1,000 subscribers. We are well on the way to that. We've got 3 months and change in this year, but we really want to hit that 1,000 subs. So just give us some love. Thanks again to Owen Reardon and to James O'Connell, blacksmith. They both were at Bunratty Castle. Super nice young men. We will see you in the next video. Be looking for the videos to come out about our trip to Ireland. Our Germany trip, it didn't go to plan. If you've watched any of our videos, you know we only got about maybe 12 hours in Germany because American Airlines, they messed us around again. This is the second time on a European trip that they really ruined our vacation. I mean, it wasn't ruined in the fact that we did get to go to Ireland, and it wasn't. We love Ireland, but we missed 2 days, 2.5 days in Germany, which we really wanted to see too. Last time it was 2 days in Belfast that we wanted to see, that we got absolutely nothing for. Anyway, like and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Be looking for the videos on the Ireland part of our trip. We may have a little bit in Germany that we're going to throw out there. We did get to do a couple of things. It was very rushed. Until the next time, slán go fóill.